been a week since the last blizzard that we had. Today's the 16th of February, and the blizzard was the 6th, or the 11th. That's the second blizzard. The first blizzard was first blizzard was 6th. And I'm happy to say that the snow is still around. In some ways it's harder to get around in some ways, because snowplows made these gigantic snowdrifts. Yeah, it appears as though people don't do too much sitting when there's snow on the ground. Yeah, in the winter people don't spend too much time on these benches, even when there is no snow on the ground or on the benches, as the case may be. What's this, February, March, April, May, June, 4 or 5 months from now, and this is going to be a different place. Mark my words. Actually, I think it's a lot nicer right now than it will be come June. In some ways, because it'll be hot, you know. People will be lounging here. Just about every bench will be occupied. People will be eating, drinking. Not necessarily drinking alcoholic beverages. I mean, it's pretty nice in the summer. People are pretty well behaved. But, you know, the dirty little secret is that, generally speaking, winter is becoming the season that you look forward to. I don't know, for some reason the advertisements that you grow up thinking summertime and the living is easy. I don't think so. If you've got a place to live, then yeah, living on the streets in the winter can be tough, but you know, even people that live on the streets have a place to go to get out of the cold, I think, don't they? You know, once you get out of the cold, or even Eskimos, look, they live in igloos. There's no heat in there, I don't know. I think the dirty little secret that has been foisted upon us by Madison Avenue is that summertime is the nice time of the year, when really it's not, you know, unless you like getting bitten by mosquitoes and having ticks, you know, on you and things like that. You know, you like big spiders crawling around in your bedroom. Yeah. Poison ivy. And summertime is the time of the year for you. And what should be my parting shot?